Hi, this is Keith Packard with Rev RV Group. I'd like to introduce you to the brand new 2020 Pace Arrow 35S. This killer quad slide floor plan is amazing. You want to talk about interior space in a 35-foot box? This is it. Quad slides, opens it up, tons of room on the inside. I'll show you that in a minute. This is on Fleetwood's exclusive Freedom Bridge XCS chassis. The componentry that we use is Freightliner. It's got a 340 horse Cummins and a 6-speed Allison transmission, the 2500 MH. On the outside of this motorhome, in addition to the gorgeous Sikkens Performance Coating full body paint, you've got 2 wind sensing awnings. Also out here on the party side of the coach, you've got a 40-inch flat screen TV. So when the awnings are out, shrimp on the Barbie, frosty cold beverages, what better way to spend an afternoon at the campground? Come on in, let me show you how much space is on the inside of this coach. Welcome to the interior of the beautiful Pace Arrow 35S for 2020. This coach is feature packed for an entry-level diesel, 340 horse Cummins, 2500 MH Allison 6-speed transmission. This thing gets up and moves. One of the beautiful features with our strategic partnership with Freightliner and Daimler is this year you have the S-Class dash on all Fleetwood motorhomes. Isn't that gorgeous? No more of those antiquated analog dials. This is all state-of-the-art. One of the other features that sticks with us through thick and thin is the beautiful Fleetwood Hida Loft. This is an exclusive feature. This Hida Loft holds not 200 pounds, not 400 pounds, not 500 pounds, but 650 pounds. The beautiful thing about this is not only is it capable of supporting 650 pounds, but look, there's so much headroom for 2 chunky adults. Also, sleeping here in the beautiful facing dinette and with a big screen TV, this TV runs off of the inverter, so when you're going down the road, if someone wants to watch TV, you've got seat belts in the dinette, and you've got seat belts in these beautiful theater seats on this side. So, seat belt, seat belt, seat belt, seat belt. 6 seat belts in this motorhome. Why do we do that? Because this is a 6-sleeper. A queen bed up here, a twin bed here, and a king bed back in the bedroom, but we'll get there in just a moment. First, I want to show you the galley. Look at this beautiful residential galley. Solid surface countertop, dual stainless steel sink, washing, rinsing, drying. It is gorgeous, right out of HGTV. You've got a beautiful tile backsplash, a big window looking out on the driver's side of the motorhome. Induction cooktop. This induction cooktop doesn't generate any heat. It's a magnetic process. Any flat bottom metal pan will work on here. The cool thing is if you're boiling a pot of spaghetti and you move that pot from one burner to the other and put your hand there, you're not going to burn your hand because it doesn't generate heat like an LP flame. So it keeps the coach cooler. Microwave convection oven, perfect for pizzas, perfect for roasts, perfect for biscuits, perfect for cookies. You can use microwave, you can use convection, or you can use microwave and convection. And just like other Fleetwood motorhomes, you have a whole house management system that you can download an app. Here we use the Precision Circuits system. You can download the app for Precision Plex. This is great. You can do everything in this motorhome from your smartphone with the exception of the jacks and the slides. Lights, air conditioning, auto gen start, everything. Speaking of auto gen start, that's one of the great features because we do a lot with residential refrigerators. With residential refrigerators, there's a couple of things that really make it work well. 1, you have to have a couple of batteries dedicated just to the refrigerator. 2, you need to have an inverter that's going to take that DC energy from the battery and invert it to AC. That is going to make sure the popsicles stay frozen and the beer stays cold. The auto generator start, if the batteries get low, the auto generator start is automatically going to start that generator whether you're here or not, and it's going to charge those batteries up. So here we are in the bedroom. Look at this storage. Look at all the wardrobe space. 6 drawers here, wardrobe here, storage here. Look at all these drawers. Storage here, and not to be outdone, you have space for a washer dryer in here, or you've got more storage, whatever it is you need. And if you look at the sink and this gorgeous countertop, a beautiful window, tile backsplash, This is a gorgeous sink, but the thing that I really love about this floor plan, in addition to the storage, in addition to all this space in this quad slide, is you have a sink here. So if my wife was brushing her teeth, then I can be brushing my teeth in here. 2 sinks as you get ready for bed, not just one. And a beautiful porcelain lavy and a spacious shower. This, when you want to run away from home, you can take home with you. All this storage, more than just enough room for t-shirts and flip-flops. The 2020 Pace Arrow 35S. Get to a dealer near you today.